How to schedule products on Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so, meaning we're going to be posting products or uploading products to our store, but at the same time we don't really want to do it right now. We want to schedule a time for it to happen. This is possible with Shopify and I will show you exactly what you need to do. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin, go ahead and log into your dashboard and go to products. Now this can work with draft products that you have, or you can just feel free to create a new one. In my case, I will end up creating a new one because I don't really have any yet. So I'm just going to go and click on add product. And I'm just going to real quickly here, skip ahead some stuff here. Just so we have a proper product really. Okay, so now that we have our products with a price, with a title and everything, by default is going to be active, but we don't really want to publish it right away. So instead we want to end up scheduling it. So to do so, it's really very simple. You just want to go ahead and you will see here publishing options. And with the publishing options, you will see online store. Now, if you don't see that, you may need to manage sales channels and make sure the online store is visible with a check mark. If not, just go and make sure it is checked. And once you see the online store, right next to it, you will find this little icon here. Click on it and you'll be able to schedule online store publishing. So here you go, you're going to basically add the date and time on when you actually want to make this product available. So right now it's 15th, so we can just go ahead and skip ahead 2 days. Let's say we want it to be available on the 17th, and then the time is going to be at 9 p.m. or something. So let's just go ahead and select 9 p.m. and click on schedule publishing. And that's really all we need to do. So if you just go ahead and click on save on the top right and go to our online store. By the way, we're done. I'm just going to show you that it's not going to be visible. We can just go to our online store and there are no products that are going to be visible yet because the time for publishing has not come yet. So we are pretty much good to go. Now, if you want to do it on a pre-existing product, then you just need to go ahead and click on it and again do the same thing from here. Just change that from here. You can add a new one from here, but obviously for me, I already have one, so I'm going to have this trash icon or edit icon. And if you really just want to cancel this scheduling and update or upload the product right away, just go ahead and remove the scheduling, click on save, and then it's actually going to be available on your online store if it is set to being active. So let's just go ahead and check real quick. Yep, the product is going to be available right away. So this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.